So today is traveling day and I woke up around 4 a.m. and it's very dark outside and I got to a substation around 5:10 and it's very quiet there. There's like not a lot of people waking up that early and the first thing that I did was obviously to get my tickets. So we're taking the Amtrak. I have the code on my email. It's e-tickets, but I just prefer physical tickets. So I went to one of the ticket machines and then got our tickets, and then we waited for like an hour because the train leaves at like 6:10. So the tickets that I purchased is a coach. So there are two sections in coach. One is the quiet section, and then the other section is just regular. So I didn't know that there's two sections. So we got seated on the quiet car. So and then they checked our tickets, and yeah, for breakfast, I just ate a char siu bao, and then took a nap and enjoying the view. It was like really long ride, 6 hours on the Amtrak. I mean the views are pretty good. And I was so bored, so I decided to do what's in my backpack video. Realistic. So we're on the Amtrak. It's more realistic version of what's in my backpack. So I'm going to show you what I have. So first off, I have snacks. And then my hat. And this. And then I have this. This is just the GoPro accessory. And then this is the electronics pouch. This is just some stuff. So I got some masks. And then my packing cube. And then that's it. For the link for comment. This backpack fits a lot of stuff. So, and then look at this front pouch. I have my AirPods and then another stuff. And then I have tissue. I have gum. So it came in like something like that. It's very tiny. Look at this. Look at this. size of my hand. It's very tiny. We arrived. Lovely. Wow. Room tour. Wow, look at that. I like a wow. Wow factor. Look at that. Seesaw. View, see.